Kelsey, and this is Sugar Spice from Clarks. You are going to feel like you're walking on clouds with these wonderful shoes. It has this very luxurious full grain leather upper for breathability and durability. Has these wonderful panels of goring that's going to give you a nice and secure fit while providing you with some stretch for movement. Has this nice minimal design as well as this easy on and off construction. It comes with the Drilix interior lining that adds a soft buffer for instant comfort while wicking away moisture, leaving you with nice, cool and dry feet. It comes with the Ortholite footbed that uses active air technology, which will give you lots of cushioning and support while absorbing shock, and it's got this great flexibility factor to it, and it has these wonderful perforated details, so again, it'll keep your feet feeling nice and cool. You can choose to use this insole, which is great because it'll be very comfortable, or you can choose to add your own custom insole. Has this really great stacked heel that's going to give you a nice boost in height. Has a cemented construction in which the upper is adhered to the outsole with a bonding agent, creating a lightweight and durable shoe. This outsole is also very lightweight, and it has this great tread, and it's got lots of flexibility to it, so you're going to feel great and look stylish. Feel luxurious and look sensational with the Sugar Spice.